Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to check recent tabs in Google. First, let's open our app, and here as you can see I have three tabs open. Now let's say I close all of these tabs. Now the application closes if we do that, and if we open the app, a new page of Google front page opens up. Now let's say I want to go back to the previously closed tabs. What can I do to go back? To go back, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, and here you will see an option called Recent Tabs. If you click that, it will show you all the tabs that you've recently closed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.